Yes, man, me hear that.
Shooter is at over.
Yes, shooter. Me say if I shoot him from, man. Yeah, he get a lick and drop boof. Yes, me hear that. White wing.
Right nice side, you know.
Yeah, me hear that. One shot, one kill. Hold that boy. Yes, my peeps. We're out and about in the morning, yeah. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So may I search out this morning, guys. We're gonna do some hunting. We're gonna do an official hunt, guys. Yeah. We're gonna see if we can shoot some bird. See what can go on for them, guys. You see something? Look like you see something, my people. Yes, me hear that. In drop. Me know, man. One shot, one kill. That is it, my people. We started early, you know. Because they can't really see we, guys, because we camouflage out. Yes, my people. So this is the official hunting of the morning, yeah. Yeah. I follow him, guys. On our land. Stay tuned. Up in there. Yes, I'm here when he drop boof, guys. You not see him? I gotta help him look for him, guys. Oh.
See, man, peeps.
White wing.
Watch out. Right nice side, you know. That's a nice side. Inside.
Cramp him.
I fly through him, man. Large up in there.
Yes, guys. So we start the morning like this. Guys, we are going to sit down. And we are scout out the place. We are going to sit down and
yeah, we are going to camp
be quiet, guys. Under the tree. Yeah. And wait for them to come in.
Yo, listen. Mickey, you see this? This tree here.
Yeah.
I say, I'm not going to say no. I mark the distance for me. I say, no, man. That look like about 20 yards. I say, yo, I will put up a little bit more. You see, when I put up a little bit more, that fly passing over him back. I say, you know, I drop it down about a centimeter more. So I go so. I just let it go. You see, shot so nip. Me only a poof. You that you know moving forward.
Alright, guys, you know, stay tuned, guys, and watch the hunt. Guys, we are pick grape.
So I bought it them a feed pan them fat and nice, you know.
Come, I could go sit down back. Oops. See them purple, guys? They're nice, guys. They're nice. Guys, we go sit down back and wait for them again. We just want to make a circle. So we are going to sit down and wait for them now.
Camping thing there, you know, guys. Camping, you know. Me a hot shoot and I sister Mickey got nothing on this.
Take your time, go on. Right. Guys, soon come back. Take him down, shooter, take him down. Looks like he fly so. Or wait him, I wait for him for set good. Take him down, shooter. One shot. One kill. Come in. You hear me hear that? That is it. One shot, one kill. Talk to the shooter. That is it. That me talk about. Man hand straight your blow wow. No sir. That is it. But me say guys, one shot, one kill.
Yo, you make a mistake.
He make a mistake.
Yo.
One shot, one kill. Hold that boy.
Yo, he make a mistake. Me say he sit one way upon the limb now. Me say, John, no, yo, me now can't take a shot there. Because the way he sit. Oh, you see one in that tree, you see me, you know, Mickey?
You know that tree?
Yes, man, I see him.
I miss you.
Yeah, I miss you right there. Mickey, me say me go so boo. Me see him go make a mistake and go turn on pan the limb and set in chest. Me say, wow, and the limb I swear, so you know, me just time the limb. When the limb go up, me just let go a shot.
That is it. Guys, you know, stay tuned again.
Yeah.
Guys,
I want baby white wings, so.
I want baby white wing stretch just see.
Yeah, can't shoot.
Can't trouble that one here, guys. I feel left him to grow.
Get bigger soon, yeah?
Alright. Go on the road. So guys, we're sitting and wait again. Yeah. Guys, here we are going now. We get one very important call and we have to move like ASAP. So guys, we are going to continue the video. We are continuing the video, guys. So we just stay tuned. We have to move right now.
So my peeps, we just reach back on the spot. And we take time and go in. You get me? So now stay tuned. We have some more epic shots to come. Don't know things.
People, we are camp out under one grape tree. One of the sea grape tree, guys. Barley keep on coming and fly out. Well, we know they keep coming and fly out. We don't see none coming so far.
Yeah. I don't know that for my peeps.
Yeah.
Just there go and chill out and just camp. And you know. Because them white hair, them wild, you know.
Wild bad.
And then see we then gone. Wild one.
And then yeah, good.
And then yeah, what they just need for you one little crook. They not even see you, they fly.
So my people, no just stay tuned. We just make a know what go and stay tuned until
stay tuned, guys.
we send on bird. Yeah. Jesus, you read that Danny ball plate? The ball plate fly?
Yeah.
Oh. When you see me now, I say I go shot him when you shot the ball plate. Woodpecker, guys. Woody the woodpecker. Yeah. Here when he drop boof. And get a lick and drop boof. One ball plate just fly. He must have gone over a tree.
Straight in and just me give it, you know.
Nobody have my keys. Touch on this. Alright guys, one down. One down, guys. Again. I want to stay tuned, my people, till we see no more bird. You see him? I know some see one ball go over there. Take him out. I him fly? Two of them fly. Yes. Jump. Boom. Shooter. Shooter. Search take time. One next one when. Shooter, my people. Shooter. That is it. That is it. That is it, my people.
Distance shots they make.
Yeah. Me see how far you shooting from, man. I'm pretty.
You know, no peeps. I have to get one of them here. I
Yo.
want to become a real shooter. We attack real shooter. We attack marksman.
Yes, man.
I have to get one of them here. And you have to know if you use them too.
Come search, come sit down back and I want, if anything, I know come in. Guys, I sit down, we sit down right here, so I chill out, you know.
Lie down.
Here we lie down for one night chair, guys. So, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned until I'm ready for shoot on bird again. Yes, man, me hear that. Ponty. What a shot. Drop like bad habit, my people. We have to go in there, so go take him outside. Find him. You're not afraid something joke you? Swear ninja. Oof. Somewhere over there sign the man. Nice shot.
Now that boy, can show the next side. Here, you know what's where the teachers. Another one in the peeps.
Yeah.
The shooter is at work. Nothing, you know.
That is it. Guys, on the drill again. Stay tuned again, guys. Stay tuned.
Wait, fly. He fly. See one next one there, you know. See one next one there. Ingan. You see one? Osh. I grew up the magic part of the tree.
Guys, just as it was my time to shoot, we had to leave again. We have some personal stuff dealing with, guys, so we had to go. I'm so sorry for the disappointment, but guys, keep tuning in and we will give you a full hunt and cook in the other bird hunting video, guys. Thank you all for the support as usual and stay blessed.